In today's video, I'll show you on how you can turn up the volume on an MSI monitor if the monitor doesn't have sound at all. Now, the first thing that you'll want to check is the main menu of our monitor right here. You could use the joystick, operate through the settings, and you can make sure that the audio is turned up. After that, you then want to navigate through the back of your monitor and you want to find this audio out plug right here. It's going to be similar to something like this where it says audio out and it has the green color. And after plugging in your earphones or your sound output, you then want to navigate through your computer, right click on the volume icon, click on the sound settings, and basically from here, click sound control panel. You then want to look for your monitor. So in my case, it's going to be this specific model right here. Right click on it, click on the enable button, click on set default, apply, and then click OK. Now you just want to select the audio output for your monitor. So once again, in my case, it's going to be the 24E3. Just click on it and you should be good to go. You want to make sure that your master volume is also turned up right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow guides to everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.